Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you the keynotes of chapter number 2, polynomials. So first of all, let us see that what all topics which we are going to cover in this keynotes. Number 1, polynomials in one variable, zeros of a polynomial, remainder theorem, factorization of polynomials and algebraic identities. Now what do you mean by constants? A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Variables. A symbol which may be assigned different numerical values is known as variable. Algebraic expressions. A combination of constants and variables connected by some or all the operations plus, minus, multiplication is known as algebraic expression. Terms. The several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus operations are called the terms of the expression. Polynomials. An algebraic expression in which the variables involved having only non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. Example 1. 5x square minus 4x square minus 6x minus 3 is a polynomial in variable x. Second, 5 plus 8x power 3 upon 2 plus 4x minus 2 is an expression but not a polynomial. Polynomials are denoted by p in bracket x, q in bracket x and r in bracket x, etc. Coefficients. In polynomial, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, coefficient of x cube, x square, x are 1, 3, 3 representatively, and we can also say that plus 1 is constant term in it. Degree of polynomial in one variable. In case of polynomial in one variable, the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Classification of polynomials on the basis of degree. If there is degree 1, the polynomial we say is linear polynomial. Example, x plus 1, 2x plus 3, etc. If there are 2 degrees, we say quadratic polynomial. Example, ax square plus bx plus c, etc. If there are 3 degrees, we say cubic polynomial. Example, x cube plus 3x square plus 1, etc. If there are 4 degree, then we say biquadratic polynomial. X power 4 minus 1. Classification of polynomials on the basis of number of terms. If we have one term, we say monomial. Example, 5, 3x, 1 upon 3y, etc. If we have 2 terms, we say binomial. In bracket 3 plus 6x, comma, in bracket x minus 5y, etc. If we have 3 terms, we say it as trinomial. Example, 2x square plus 4x plus 2, etc. Constant polynomial. A polynomial containing one term only consisting a constant term is called a constant polynomial. The degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Zero polynomial. A polynomial consisting of one term, namely 0, only is called a zero polynomial. The degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Zeros of a polynomial. Let p in bracket x be a polynomial. If p in bracket x equals to 0, then we say that is a zero of the polynomial of p in bracket x. Remark. Finding the zeros of the polynomial p in bracket x means solving the equation p in bracket x equals to 0. Remainder theorem. Let f in bracket x be a polynomial of degree n greater 1 and let be any real number when f in bracket x is divided by in bracket x minus a, then the remainder is f in bracket a. Factor theorem. Let f in bracket x be a polynomial of degree n greater 1 and let be any real number. If f in bracket a equals to 0, then x minus a is a factor of f in bracket x. If x minus a is a factor of f in bracket x, then f in bracket a equals to 0. Factor. A polynomial p in bracket x is called a factor of q in bracket x divides q in bracket x exactly. Factorization. To express a given polynomial as the product of polynomials each of degree less than that of the given polynomial such that no such a factor has a factor of lower degree is called factorization. Now here are the some of the algebraic identities which are useful in factorization. So here we complete the notes. I hope it would be helpful to you. Thank you.